long as he's still alive.
Go. No heartbeat.
TBC, Chem 24, type and cross board, bag him.
Coding.
Flatline.
You can't be in here. I'm family.
Price of battles 200.
Barry!
Clear.
What are you doing?
He likes this song.
How could you possibly know that?
I checked his Facebook page. I mean, he can hear everything, right?
Auditory functions are the last sensory faculties to degenerate.
Carry my, no, he carry my phone. Oh, my God.
Where am I?
He's up.
Dr. Wells, get down to the cortex, like, right now.
Over 110, pulse 120. Pupils equally reactive to light. Look at me.
Hey,
Look at me.
whoa, relax. Everything's okay, man. You're at Star Labs.
Star Labs. Who are you?
I'm Cisco Ramon. She's Caitlin, Dr. Snow.
I need you to urinate in this.
Not this second.
Wait, what is happening? What is going on?
You were struck by lightning, dude.
Lightning gave me abs.
Your muscles should be atrophied, but instead they're in a chronic and unexplained state of cellular regeneration.
Come here, have a seat. You were in a coma.
For how long?
9 months. Welcome back, Mr. Allen. We have a lot to discuss.
It's hard to believe I'm here. I've always wanted to meet you face to face.
Yeah? We certainly went to great lengths to do it. Star Labs has not been operational since FEMA categorized us as a Class 4 hazardous location. 17 people died that night. Many more were injured, myself amongst them.
Jeez. What happened?
9 months ago, the particle accelerator went online exactly as planned. For 45 minutes, I had achieved my life's dream, and then there was an anomaly.